मैं इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट पे हूँ एंड आई एम हेडेड टू द ब्यूटीफुल गिर फॉरेस्ट ऑफ गुजरात. आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड क्योंकि मैं यहाँ पे पहली बार जा रही हूँ. नेवर बीन देयर बिफोर एंड आवर फ्लाइट इज़ करंटली फ्रॉम मुंबई टू राजकोट. सो लेट्स गो. Finally Rajkot पहुंच चुकी हूँ and like I said we have a car from here which is going to drive us to Gir and I cannot wait to show you guys this place that we're going to stay at because it is amazing. So our drive from Rajkot to Gir is about 3.5-4 घंटे का ड्राइव और हमने सुबह से कुछ खाया नहीं था तो we've taken like a small pit stop and I have some same company with me. गुजरात आके कुछ गुजराती खाना खाना था तो I have some same company and we also asked for some coffee. So and we finally arrived. So we are at the Fern Gir Forest Resort at Sasan in Gujarat and this place is so beautiful. It is so rustic. मैंने actually Google करके photos देखे थे मेरे room के, but so now I cannot wait to go and see it in real. So come, let's go check it. और यहाँ पीछे है द हेजल स्वीट जहाँ पे मैं रहने वाली हूँ. सो कम लेट्स गो एंड चेक इट आउट फ्रॉम द इनसाइड. सो हाउ ब्यूटीफुल इज दिस रूम. एकदम रस्टिक. इट्स मेड ऑल ऑफ वुड एग्जैक्टली लाइक हाउ आई लाइक इट. और ये बहुत ही मतलब एकदम जंगल वाली फील मुझे ऑलरेडी दे रहा है. And it's so rustic, but at the same time it has everything to give you like that, you know, touch of luxury. It's such a cozy room. I really love it. So we've taken a good look around the entire property. Like I showed you, there are a variety of rooms to stay here, but there are also 3 restaurants to dine in यहाँ पे at Fern Gir Forest. And I'm heading to Banyan Tree for some lunch right. So of course because that we are in Gujarat now, Gujarati खाना ही खाना था मुझे. So we have some सेव टमाटर की सब्जी, some undiyu and some बैंगन का भरता, some बाजरे की रोटी and छाछ. Classic गुजराती खाना. जैसे कि मैंने कहा, we've just arrived to the resort today. So today is going to be all about just chilling. We had lunch and now I'm just going to chill by the pool, bathe in the sun and this cold water. So हम रिसोर्ट से एकदम नज़दीक में ही like 5-minute drive पे ही we've come to sort of capture the sunset and just enjoy the sunset. But I was just looking through this little lake behind me and there's a crocodile there. I'm sure you guys can't see it from the camera, but there is a huge crocodile and he's just seated there, just lurking around, sunbathing probably. This was such a calming time spent just watching the sunset at this beautiful spot. We even spotted a crocodile like I told you, which was very unexpected. And that's the best thing about being in nature. Such unexpected things happen and you get to see them. Well, we're going to be putting an end to today because we're really tired since we've been traveling since morning. But we have something very exciting kal or parso. So stay tuned. See you guys tomorrow morning. day 2 and it's a very early morning for us today क्योंकि हम कुछ bird watching करने के लिए जाने वाले. Apparently इस area में there are a lot of variety of exotic birds. तो we're pretty keen on going and seeing them. हम बस अब drive करके जा रहे हैं. It's just pretty close from the resort itself. So let's go. Spotted some birds. There are some really huge birds. I don't know what they're called, but it's so cool. They're just calmly sitting in their like habitat. So bird watching करते करते we have also spotted a lot of crocodiles in this lake out here, which is right behind me, and this is at such close proximity. अगर you guys have missed my Humpy video, then I'll link it down in the description. Don't forget to watch it. उसमें भी हमारे resort के बाहर there were crocodiles, but they were very far. Like we were at a very elevated level. लेकिन यहाँ the crocodiles are so close to us by the lake, so we are trying to like not walk close to it. And we've spotted at least 3 or 5 crocodiles since we've come over here. So we're back to our resort from that bird watching, and we're having some breakfast right in my balcony. तो काफ़ी गुजराती breakfast है. There's fafda, there's jalebi, there is gathia and there's thepla. Of course there's coffee along. So just gonna sit here in this calmness. Actually you can hear a lot of birds chirping around here as well. So just gonna be sitting in this and having my breakfast today. So breakfast के बाद we were just chilling in our room for some time and just relaxing. And now we're heading for lunch because it's some 2 p.m. And after lunch we're gonna head for the safari. So let's go eat first. So we've just had lunch, or our ride is pretty much here. We are now leaving for the lion safari. Let's just hope and pray that we get to spot lions, because it's not every day and a very common thing that you get to spot lions. Yes, of course lions are a very common sight out here in the Gir forest, but still, you know, you have to go deep inside the jungles to be able to spot them. I really hope we are able to spot lions today. Let's go. So एक lion safari करने के लिए you obviously have to rent a gypsy from here, and gypsy का cost अलग अलग होता है. It really varies, but even if you are 1 person, 2 people or maximum 6 people, you have to rent the entire gypsy. You can't rent a space in a gypsy, so you can't share it with somebody. Also a special permit is required from the Siha Sadan, जहाँ से आपको permit require होगी एक safari के लिए जाने के लिए, which costs 1000 rupees. So remember. Also, when you go on a lion safari, you are not allowed to carry water bottles, plastic, any eatables or anything like that, for the simple reason that people tend to throw it when they go there. So just avoid carrying these things along with you. Okay, so basically आप ऑनलाइन भी ये सफारी बुक कर सकते हो, एंड आई लिंक डाउन दैट ऑनलाइन लिंक जहाँ से बुकिंग हो सकती है इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन, इन माई डिस्क्रिप्शन. सो डू चेक दैट आउट इन केस यू वांट टू कम. बट अगर आप ऑनलाइन नहीं बुक कर रहे हो, देन यू हैव टू कम टू दिस स्नेहा सदन जो मैंने आपको दिखाया. ऑल्सो बिकॉज हम फर्न के साथ रह रहे हैं, फर्न इटसेल्फ हैज़ यू नो ऑर्गेनाइज्ड दिस फॉर अस. सो इफ यू आर स्टेइंग एट द रिसॉर्ट, यू कैन आस्क देम टू ऑर्गेनाइज ट्रिप फॉर यू.
और नेचुरल में जो भी एनिमल्स है वहाँ पे इनक्लोज कर दिए, क्योंकि ये जो है ओपन फॉरेस्ट है, इनको कोई फेंसिंग दीवार नहीं है, तो कभी भी जानवर हाईवे के ऊपर, गांव में, खेत में किधर भी आ जा सकते हैं. तो ये जो परमिट देते हैं आपको सिर्फ फॉरेस्ट विजिट के लिए. टोटल जो एरिया है ये है 1400 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर का. मन में एक है कि यहाँ जीप सफारी किया और गिर जंगल को हमने देख लिया, बट इट इज़ नॉट ए 1/4 पार्ट ऑफ द गिर. जगह पे जानवर है, ऐसा नहीं है कि भाई कोई एक रूट के ऊपर ये आपको दिखते हैं. कोई भी रूट के ऊपर आपको ये जो जानवर है दिख सकते हैं. रूट इज ओनली फॉर अस, नॉट फॉर देम. दे कैन गो एनीवेयर.
So we finally spotted 2 lions out here who are just lying down and chilling in their zone right there. day 3 out here in Gir Forest and we've driven a little away from our resort. और हम आए यहाँ पे गुड़ मेकिंग देखने के लिए. There is a factory where they're making gur, which is jaggery. So come, let's go inside and check out what's inside. So the whole idea of making jaggery is really simple over here. कुछ भी complicated process नहीं है. I'll quickly run you through how it is made. It's just made in say about 6 to 7 steps, and there's no chemical added, no additives, nothing at all. It's fresh jaggery. Okay. So यहाँ पे कुछ गन्ने पड़े हुए हैं और ये गन्ने जो है they are juicing all the sugar canes. So here's where all the sugarcane juice is processed. It goes all the way. I'll take you away. So there's a pipe which brings the sugarcane juice all the way into these containers here, and there are 4 sections of filtration. So this is the first one where the sugarcane juice is filtered. It goes through some more heat और फिर वो second container में filter होता है. A little more heat into the third one, and the fourth one is the final one जहाँ पे it is subjected to extreme heat, the sugarcane juice of course, and then it goes filtered into the containers right out there जहाँ पे extreme heat की वजह से वो it converts itself into jaggery. So just like you saw, there is no additives, there is no chemicals, there's nothing at all. Sugarcane juice directly converted into jaggery. So like I showed you from the 4th container जो बन जाता है जब वो jaggery, this is where it comes into, and you can see fresh jaggery. I can smell the sweetness from the jaggery out here. And right from here then it goes into containers which are packaged and ready to be sold.
ये आपका देसी स्पून.
How fresh is this? It literally tastes like it's sugar gum. It tastes so good. Imagine walking into Gujarat and seeing people just from Africa. You speak to them in English and they reply to you in Gujarati. I'm in the Jambur village of Gujarat. Come, let me show you why I'm here today. So I've come to an extremely special place today. This is called as the Jambur village in Gujarat, and the speciality out here is that you'll only find Africans here. So basically there's a little backstory to this. 300 साल पहले जूनागढ़ के जो नवाब थे उनके लिए as slaves a lot of Africans were brought over here, and these people ever since then have been residing out here in Jambur itself. But the speciality is such that they've forgotten all their African traditions. They of course are Africans by birth, they look African, but ये जो है बात भी गुजराती में करते हैं, tradition भी उनका गुजराती है, and they are completely immersed in the Gujarati culture. So it's really heartwarming to watch this. It is a little bit of a culture shock for me to even watch somebody in India like this. I don't know आपको कितने लोगों को ये इस बारे में पता होगा इस village के बारे में, but since I heard about this, I really wanted to come out here and check it for myself. So let's take a little walk inside. These people are really shy to talk on camera, so I'm not very sure अगर ये बात करेंगे नहीं करेंगे, but we'll try our best. And let me come and show you what this village actually looks like from the inside. मैं अभी फ़िलहाल वहीं पे बैठी हुई हूँ. Let's go take a walk. I'm not in Africa. I am in the Jambur village of Gujarat. This is what they call the mini Africa of India.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. So after that beautiful morning visiting different tribes and different villages, हम resort वापस आए थे. We had lunch, we rested for a while, and now we're going to be going to this beautiful waterfall which is a little away from the resort, but I'll show you more about it once we get there. So let's go. dinner, we're winding down with a nice candlelight dinner here at the gazebo at the Ferngee Forest, and you can request them for this setup. They can set it up for you. I was just feeling a little celebratory because it's our last night out here and I wanted to do something special for myself. So here's a candlelight dinner for myself with myself. So like I told you guys, we'd been to the Jambur village yesterday. हमने कुछ लोगों से बात करने की ट्राई की वहाँ पे, but लोग काफ़ी शर्मा रहे थे to be speaking on camera. And since I met a lot of children over there, it was quite heartwarming. It was really nice to meet them. But I was really interested in knowing a little more about their community because honestly speaking, even though I am in Gujarat, in India, I had a little bit of culture shock. So today I have Imran with me.
મારું નામ ઇમરાન ભગત છોટિયારા છે. હું સાસણગીરમાં રહું છું અને જંગલની અંદર ગાઈડિંગ કરું છું. જાંબુ જાંબુ બાના હબારી ગાની મજૂરી સાના કરીબુ કરીબુ રિસા યમાયેલો હાકુના મતાતા.
कहीं पे भी आपने बाय एनी चांस किसी ने आपको फॉरेनर समझा है? आई एम श्योर होता ही होगा.
100% देखा.
क्या क्या बोलते हैं लोग?
क्योंकि पहले डायरेक्ट हिंदी या गुजराती नहीं बोलेंगे, इंग्लिश में ही बात करेंगे. अगर मेरे को एक बार मैं दिल्ली गया था तो एक मेरे को गोगल सुनैना लेना था, तो मैंने बोला प्राइस, तो बोला 2000 रुपीज़. दूसरा आया, यार उनको लूट लो ये बाहर का है वगैरह वगैरह. मैं समझ रहा था, मैंने इसको बाद में गुजराती में बोला भाई आप 100 रुपये ससमा से तारा बराबर से. वो चौक हो गया पूरा. ये तो यह गुजराती हिंदी दोनों समझता है. मैंने उसको आईडी बताया मैं इंडियन हूँ और मैं गुजरात में रहता हूँ और मेरा पूरा कम्युनिटी उधर है.
Well, हमारा टाइम आ गया है to bid a goodbye to this beautiful place, to all the wildlife, to the jungles and head back to the concrete jungle, Mumbai. Nevertheless, it has been such a great stay for us and I hope most importantly you guys enjoyed watching this video. और अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो you always stay tuned and subscribe to the channel Talk and Travel. Don't forget to get your friends also to subscribe to Talk and Travel and hit the bell icon ताकि मैं जब भी एक नया वीडियो डालूँ you guys are always updated about it. I will see you guys in the next video in another destination. Bye.